Oh, five of coins energy. But for some reason, no, bago ko ito pinakita sa inyo, no, nakakita muna ako dito ng puso. Maybe someone here did put, yan, no, or place a block in your heart. Maybe you got hurt when it comes to love area ninyo, no, or maybe someone here, no, is posibleng hindi kayo trinato, no, ng maganda at maayos, no? Could be your ex, no? But this is something here na tapos na, ano? So, kung sino man yung ex mo na yun, trinato ka nun, no, na parang wala man lang warmth, no? Puro parang panlalamig, no? Yung treatment niya sa inyo, no? Cold treatment, kumbaga, no? Pero nakikita ko na tapos na yan. Okay? Buti naman, no? Kasi kung hindi pa, batukan ko siya. Yeah, I'm your mother right here. Whoa, 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 whoa. 10 of coins energy. Look at that. See? Wow. It looks like ito yung feeling, no, na parang you're gonna hit the jackpot right here. Yung nakikita ko, no, your heart is mapa-flutter dito and will start beating faster and faster dito, no? So, nakikita ko that this is something here, no, na posibleng talagang masasabi mo na, oy, ito na talaga yun. Yan, no? So, for some reason, nakita ko ng bahay doon, no? So, maybe you're gonna meet someone here na talagang makakatuluyan mo na. So, yan ang ating aalamin. Let us see, let us see, let us see. Let's go! Alamin na natin ang other informations dito, no? So, who's excited to see kung ano-ano pa yung mga other infos about this situation of yours. Sun card energy, and I'm seeing two people right here. It looks like you are having here some kind of fun time. You're having here, such a great day, whenever you're together or whenever this person here is around you, guys. Let's see. Oh, soul connection. Okay, yeah, the high priestess right here. Someone's, shh, someone here is being quiet. Okay, it looks like this person here is still hiding this, pero hindi naman ganun katago-tago. But let's see. Yeah, Six of Swords energy. Oh, Nine of Cups energy. And, wow, we have here divine counterparts. Look at that. We have the High Priestess and the Hierophant energy. Okay, I think I know what's happening right here. We have the Seven of Swords and the Four of Coins. Yeah, definitely. Okay, there you go. The thing that will definitely change this connection. Bottom of the deck, we have the Eight of Wands energy. Yeah, okay. This is your advice, sweetheart. Page of Swords to the Ace of Hearts or Ace of Cups energy. Hi and hello there, collective. Hi, new viewers. Ako po si Yan. Tuloy po kayo dito sa ating mga returning tambayers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang pagtambay, of course, no? So, thank you so much. And yes, kung hindi niyo pa mayroon pa po tayong isa pang channel. Link is down below sa ating description box. That link will be our main channel, no? Yung The High Priestess Tarot, kung saan nag-upload din tayo every day ng collective readings for all signs. But if you're looking for, reading per zodiac sign, no, or your zodiac sign right here, no, meron din tayo niyan, no, weekly and monthly. So, yun nga mga babes, now please be advised din na wala tayong gender dito. So, babae, lalaki, LGBT, everybody welcome. Pwede rin po magka-switch yung mga roles dahil possible talaga yun mangyari because isa itong general reading and at the end of the day, you have your free will with you. Like, malaya kayong gamitin yan anytime, anywhere. And timeless din ito. So, pwedeng ito ay nangyayari na yes, no, that's more likely, no, and posibleng mangyayari pa lamang to some few. But here, it looks like someone here is happy dahil nandyan ka, nakakasalamuha ka niya, no, nakakausap ka niya, no, and kung sino man tong energy na to, no, with the sun card energy, look at that. Okay? I'm seeing two energies na happy together, you know. So, yan, nakikita niyo ba yan, no? And nakikita ko rin dito mga babes, no? Na kung sino man tong energy na to with the Six of Coins energy, Sun card, and there's that Six of Cups, okay? So, nakikita ko rito na yung mga pangiti-ngiti niya sa'yo, yung mga sinasabi niya sa'yo, ano, yung mga ginagawa niya sa'yo, no? Yun ay may ibang meaning, yan, no? So, nakikita ko dito that, maybe kayo ay friends ngayon or maybe kayo ay co-worker, colleague, magkatrabaho ngayon, no? But, yung mga tinginan niya sa'yo, eh, 'di ba? The eyes, no, ay ang window ng ating soul. So, yung mga tingin niya sa'yo na iba, no? So, yung mga sinasabi niya sa'yo, no, iba din ang meaning, no? At yung mga ginagawa niyang mga actions sa'yo, iba rin yon, no? So, kung sino man tong energy na to, no, nakikita ko that with the High Priestess, this person here is your secret admirer. So, nakikita ko dito na meron kang secret admirer, mga babes, no? Pwedeng ang first letters niya, B or J, but doesn't have to be, no? Pero napansin din kasi natin yan dito. Or meron siya niyan sa kanyang name, no? May mga letters siyang ganyan or pwedeng kayo yon, no? But you know, it could be any letters right here, but definitely kung sino man ito na nagtataglay, no? Kasi marami no? Di naman ito nagtataglay ng the High Priestess energy. This person here is hiding the secret behind this curtain. Or kung sino man tong energy na to, no? Tinatago niya rito pero hindi masyadong tago, no? Kasi tingnan mo yan. Di ba may siwang? Tingnan mo mga babes, no? Tingnan mo yung tuktok ng cortina. May siwang yung likod, di ba? Tapos dito din may siwang, no? So, hindi ganun katago, no? Itong kanya ritong sekreto. So, kung ano man ito, no, posibleng ito ay ang kanya ritong feelings and emotions. Sa likod kasi nito mga babes, dagat yan eh. Malaking body of water, dagat yan, ocean yan, seas yan, no? Kaya nakikita ko dito that this person here is pwedeng type ka niya, no? Or gusto ka talaga niya, or meron siya rito na nararamdaman for you guys, definitely, no? So, nakikita ko rin dito, no, na mukhang hindi lang siya ang nakakaramdam niyan. Kasi nakita ko na lumabas ka din bilang Hierophant energy, yung mga tingin mo din sa kanya iba, yung mga galawan mo din sa kanya ay iba, no? At yung mga reaksyon mo sa mga ginagawa niya for you ay talaga namang nagmamachi-machi sa kanyang energy. Wala ka ring sinasabi, no? Pero mukhang ikaw din ay may secret feelings sa kanya. Pero parehas kayo na nandun pa lang sa energy ng pagka-crush pa lamang iyan. So, posibleng kakakilala nyo lang sa isa't isa kasi this person right here, no, is wanting this to be slow, pero may progress every day. Ano? So, nakikita ko rito that this person right here, okay, ito yung plano niya, no, is to get to know you more. Pero sinisimulan niya na rin dito, no, na iparating sa'yo. Kasi medyo kinikilig-kilig kayo, no? Kasi yung mga sinasabi niya sa'yo, may laman. Alam mo eh. Nararamdaman mo eh, no? And for some reason, mukhang crush nyo rin talaga siya, no? Kasi kinikilig kayo, no? With the Nine of Cups energy, pares kayo ng ng common energy rito, no? Parehas kayo rito na parang lumalabas na wish ninyo na mas connect pa sa isa't isa, no? So, nakikita ko rito na connect na talaga kayo, soul connection ito, no? Tapos, wala pang gaanong nagsasalita, panay tingin pa lang kayo, panay ngiti pa lang kayo, panay sulyap ka lang pa lang kayo sa isa't isa, pero may meaning na yun, di ba? You have this parang mutual understanding that even yung tinginan ninyo, alam nyo na, diba? So, definitely yun na yun, no? When this person here glance sa inyo at nakatingin rin kayo, no? And then you smile sa kanya and this person smiles back sa inyo, no? Then yun na yun. Diba? So, definitely, no, even though the eyes, yung nagtotalk, yun na yun. Anong yun na yun, Miss Yan? Gusto nyo both yung isa't isa, but you're just taking it slow because this is you. You are not someone here, no, na dire-diretso, ura-urada magsasabi na, uy, gusto kita, no, or, uy, ligawan kita, whatever, no. So, both of you, no, do not want to scare each other away. So, nakita ko rito that this is you taking it slow, kung ano man yung nangyayari ngayon sa inyong connection, you're just enjoying it. Of course, you're kilig dito, no? And this person here is also kilig sa inyo, no? So, ano ba yung feeling ng kinikilig, no? It's such a happy feeling, no? Tingnan ninyo, no? Parang, it's something here, no, that reminds you every day na, ay, papasok ako na maaga kasi andun yung crush ko and parang feeling ko crush niya rin ako. Yung mga sinasabi niya na ganito ganyan, nagki-care siya for me. Yeah, definitely. Nagki-care talaga siya sa'yo dito, guys, no? And you are also giving him or her that, yan, no? Confirmation, no? By just looking at him or her, no? Na parang napapariting mo sa kanya rito, no? Na gusto mo din siya. So, everything right here, no, is nagiging maganda, nagiging maayos, no? So, nakikita ko rito, no, that this person right here wants to definitely enter your world, no? Pero alam niya kailangan niya yan na pag-effortan at paghirapan, no? Kasi gusto niya ritong ipakita sa'yo na kahit nagustuhan ka niya, no, umpisang-umpisa pa lang, no, ayaw niya kasi rito na parang masabi mo na, ay, bilis naman masyado. Or whatever, no? So, with this Seven of Swords energy, no? So, siya ito, no, na mas pinipili niya rito na itago muna, maging cautious about this, no? Itago muna yung kanyang feelings here for you guys, no? Or yung kanya rito, pagkagusto niya rito sa inyo, no? So, hindi niya yan masyadong pinapa-obvious muna ngayon. But, I do see that with the Page of Pentacles energy, this person could be younger sa inyo by age but doesn't have to be. Pwede rin kaedad nyo pero younger looking siya. Pwede rin naman mga babes, no, na older than you pero younger than his or her own age, no? Pero kung sino man siya, definitely a solid offer because the Page of Pentacles is someone who offers something here na posibleng magstay at maging permanente sa inyong life. So this person right here is offering you a stable commitment, no? 'Di ba happy tayo kapag ka-stable yung internet natin, walang loading. Pag nag-open tayo ng application, 'di ba? Kapag ka maganda yung signal ng Wi-Fi, 'di ba? Happy tayo kasi no distraction. Tuloy-tuloy yung panonood natin ng mga palabas at tuloy-tuloy yung pagbabrowse natin sa ating mga social media accounts, no? So this person right here is offering a stable connection o 'di ba? So definitely this person here is someone who is a gift coming from the universe right here. So, I do see na isa siya rito ang padala ni universe, no? Para maging connects in relationship mo. Yes, no? Kung wala pa siya sa life mo, no? Nakikita ko dito na siya ang magiging next in relationship mo. At kung nandyan na siya, no? You're starting great with this person kasi nagpapakita na siya rito, no? Ng mga senyales, ng mga signs, ng mga clues, ng mga hints na gusto niya kayo. Maybe hindi pa nga lang direkta, no? Pero feel na feel mo na, di ba? So, with the Eight of Wands energy, Page of Swords right here, Ace of Cups. Ace of Hearts energy. Try to observe more his or her actions towards you. Try to observe more his or her words and how he or she will communicate to you because I'm seeing na may pagbabago dyan. Mas mararamdaman mo sa mga kilos niya sa mga susunod na araw at mga linggo na gusto ka niya, no? At sa susunod na mga sasabihin niya sa iyo ay mas malalaman mong talagang may gusto sa akin ito. So, definitely wish fulfillment right here for you when it comes to your love life area. So, wow, claim this beautiful message right here, sweetheart, because I know that you deserve that kilig in your life. No, why? Kasi matagal na wala yung kilig, no? Hindi yun naramdaman yung kilig ng matagal sa inyong life, no? May ganun tayo mga nakuhang mga energies, diba? Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry because you're gonna feel that kilig, malapit na. Yan, babes. At kung nandyan na siya sa life ninyo, I know na na-enjoy nyo na yung kilig at wait, there's more pa nga. So, yung mga babes, no, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it because I'm seeing that you're gonna be into this type of beautiful love story. So, yung mga babes, ito yung mga mensahe here for you guys. Again, I'm Yuriana on me. Sarang hiyo, love and light. I'm here.